What did you ask me?
I asked you what time is it in Bangladesh?
Well, it's 8:09 p.m. at night.
I have never been to Bangladesh, but I went to Nepal, so not too far.
That's cool though.
In Bangladesh, you speak Arabic? No.
No, my first language is Bangla.
Bangla, yeah.
Yeah.
But people tend to still be Muslim, right? But they speak Bangla.
Alright, most of the people are from Muslim community here.
Okay. So teach me something in Bangla.
I would like to give the teach also my first language Bangla. What kinds of sentence do you want to hear from me?
Maybe like hello, nice to meet you.
Hello is hello, we say. Okay, and nice to meet you, that's meaning সাক্ষাৎ করে
Shakat,
করে
Kori.
ভালো লাগলো. ভালো
Shakat, Kori.
করে
Palo.
লাগলো. লাগলো
Shakat,
করে
Kore. Palo.
লাগলো.
Laglo.
Alright, that's cool.
Okay.
And-
I'm also curious. I don't think I see it written a lot.
Alright.
Like I wonder. I'm gonna look up what the language looks like.
Sure.
I think I need to go to Bangladesh now. I've been meeting so many people from there on Bigo.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Do you
I
know-
don't know. Recently, many Bangladesh.
Do you want to come up here in Bangladesh?
Your language is so beautiful.
Oh, thank you.
I like the characters very much, like this.
Wow.
It looks like Sanskrit.
Oh, you just flash our alphabet of language. Oh, that's cool.
It's beautiful. I
Oh.
like it.
Oh, thank you.
What's your favorite word?
My favorite word. My favorite word is love.
Oh, that's a great word. Yes. To be so kind to people. I love this very much too.
Oh, thank you. Thank you so much. And you know what? I'm being really so inspired by your energy. That because you are asking me the question about my country, about my language as well. And by the way, I'm trying to get my fluency in English at the same time. I would like to introduce my country.
Let's do another PK. I would love to learn more.
Oh dear.
I love to travel, and I think one of the best parts about this app is that you can meet people from all over the world. So you too, if you have any questions about New York or America, like I'm happy to answer. But I guess I would love to know, if I came to Bangladesh to visit, what is something that many tourists like to do? Is there hiking there, or is there some like famous place to visit?
Well, that's really good question. You know, I see lots of tourists just come up in Bangladesh, especially they goes according to their own will. Like some people just like to go to the sea beach, hillside, and on the other hand, and most of the people like to enjoy our rural area, their culture and their cultivation of the land, like growing the crops and cultivating the fish farm, and how they do this in my country as well, and they like to do this, but it will depend on you 100%.
I like culture. So I think for me, like this conversation, I will remember. I don't often get to have conversations like this on Bigo. I had one time with a new friend from Nigeria. Everybody else is usually just trying to sleep with me. Oh, you're single? Oh, la la la. And they say annoying things. But I really like your energy. You want to talk. You want to get to know other cultures. And you want to share more about your culture. And this is exactly for me, like why I like to travel. I love to meet people from other places and find out about how they live their life and how our lives are similar. Because honestly, humans are all the same, you know? Like we think that we're so different because of where we live, but we all have the same emotions and feelings. And yeah, so I love this. I love to just like, maybe I would sit there and have some tea or eat your food. Eric in the chat, he had a good question too. about what the food is. And I want to know, is it like Indian food? Is it like Nepali food? Do you eat momos? Is it different?
All right, that's beautiful. If you are interested to come in Bangladesh, I would like to just consider for you a free accommodation from my side.
Oh, that's so sweet. Thank you.
Because everyone are welcome here in my country, and I would like to take every single foreigner in my village, in my city, one city to the other cities. So I definitely will help them as a linguistic factor. You are the English woman, so there will have some problem to speak out with our people. So I would like to help in this area. So no worry to come up here. I'm here for yours.
Gazi, I appreciate that. That's very, very kind of you.
Yeah. And moreover, my future venture is I want to be an international blogger. I want to explore one country to another country. I love this.
Yes. You could do this in Bengali and prove to people in your country that they could travel, because I think there are many blogs in English, and one of my best friends that I met traveling also, she is from Brazil, and while we were traveling somewhere, she said the same thing to me that you just said, like, oh, I wish I could just get paid to travel, I wish I could be a blogger. So I actually told her, I said, you should, but you should write your blog in Portuguese and tell other people in Brazil that it's possible to travel like this.
Mm-hmm.
And that's exactly what she does now. She gets paid from hotels and like spends time pretty much all year in different countries visiting, and I hope that the same for you too. You can have an opportunity to make a blog and tell people in Bangladesh about the rest of the world.
Yeah, beautiful.